When it's 300, I'm going to share the news. I can't even talk properly. But when it's 300, I'm going to share the news. Make it to 300. It's very important, this news. Please, you almost lost me. Make it, share it to 300. I have news. Big news. Same so, man. Same so. I reach 300 yet, coming out talk until at 300. You never hear me say this before, so I don't know important. Share it. I never hear me say that before, so. Oh. Turn black like me turn black like midnight. Turn black star. I'm not talk until I share because I'm not going to believe this. I'm not going to say Olivet, I lie you tell. So I'm not talk until I reach 300. Believe me, I have to make it to 300. I have to. This is something else. I have to make it to 300 right now. Because I'm not still long panic for me. I have no voice left. Me nearly dead. Right now. Almost here to me dead. Hurry up on 300 is me not talk because, believe me, hurry up. Can't take commercial break, hurry up. This is not no gimmicks, this is not no game. This is some real shit I'm about to talk. So, me nah talk until it's 300. Not 300 yet, because the 300 me can't share. It's important to me, and it's important for you to hear this. So, dear, if you're not here already, because you're not going to hear already, and see already. But me there, I'm wanting to know what I go on. So, share. Share. If it's not 300, me not tell me I come back off. I'm serious, I'm dead serious today. When you see me for yesterday, I come on and tell me see me soon come back. When you see me, don't. When you see me the last time, say one man try to lock me up. Don't. I want to see me from that. Alright, you share. Share, Torah, share. Share. See the jail milk here? You have evidence. Share, Torah. So if it just come out of jail. Share, no man. Just come out of jail, dog. Me all they can talk. Share. What I'm telling you? Think me I eat them fucker there? Look what I give the people them to eat. Look on all the bread them. Black like shit paint pan. Look here. Share, dog. Share. Hurry up and share. Devil is a liar. Hurry up and share. Hurry up and share. Alright. Good the girl I tell the devil get me yesterday. See me and the handcuff mark them, they bust up the whole of my hand from the handcuff them. Me just come out, yeah. See my hand in the goodie, handcuff, me just come out of jail. Just done beard and wash all my ears, stink like dog shit. Pussy stink everywhere. The whole of central booking stink everywhere. All kind of fucking pussy stink. Shit pan the toilet seat bloody. Then fucking handcuff me and drag me like a dog. Goody one of there. You see the little dirty rasta boy we don't pan Utica. Wanna pass before they get to pass corner go down. That is for your right hand side. The little rasta boy I always tell when you go down to Montgomery. You no buy nothing from him. Goody, Mr. Uno buy nothing from the pussy hole there. Not even a 99-cent ring from the dreadlocks boy there. You remember I see him dreadlocks boy make the video with me on Facebook. I say, Olivet, then can't touch you. I say, this call, me not see you. When me a dance, with dreadlocks boy there. You remember him? The dreadlocks boy run up to me one day. I run up to the when me one day and said to me, say, my girl, me see you all the while. Me want to see you popular man, you're talented, you can't sing. And sitting and Ray start talk up to me. So yeah man, me want to buy your music when it come out and Ray. So now me I sing my song and I go on and me make him hear it. When I come from the students say I want to get a copy, me say I can't get a copy like that. I'm gonna have to wait until the album come out. Because I press music and make music on the roadside and sell to people. When you're going on pan, you take a straight down before you get to Montgomery. Me don't remember between there's a Montgomery and something else. But I get the exact so do not buy nothing from the man. Want to see him on the street, I walk on the next ride, me go to me, I beg you no. You remember the day when I go down the road and I get the album, then I stop and see the man? And you find the you remember that day? I give the man the album and he say, nah, no money tomorrow. He take the album. Another commercial break. Another commercial break. What the hell is this? Hold on. Yeah. You understand, Goody? So anyway, you know, I don't want me touch something wrong. But anyway, what happened now? My blood clot. Go to the man and say to the man, say, can you give me like a $10 donation? I want to come back to the boss to print the sitting them. He said, me nah no money right and on sis. But when me get him, me give you. So me say, alright, I'm allow the man. Me go back one next time again 2 weeks later. See the man in the restaurant, me go to him. Say, you me come check in out, because I kind of low, me nah no money today. I want to buy one plate of food and I come check if I can get $10. He say, you know, so me nah no money, like money, me just make me buy some food for myself. Yeah, me nah no money right now, you know. And me left off. But the man I treat me away kind of cool. Take my music and I cannot be cool to me. So I said, why am I be like that? He just give me $10 loan for donation. I ask him. I pay the people for printing sitting. Alright? I know me not pay a fee yet for printing. Alright now. Him say not have it. Me love him. I go back one day to him again. Him say, you know what, me nah no money. Me say, alright, give me back the CD. He said, the CD in there in my girlfriend car. Right? I go up to him and say, get the CD. Him say, no, you know what, I'm going to pay a fee. But me not make no money yet again. I say, alright, I'm load the man. Yesterday, I collect some money for one of my goodie up the road. From bleaching cream and soap. I trust her last week in the supermarket. You remember that? I'm going to get the time to pick up the money. And yesterday, I pick up the money from goodie. I start to walk down the road now. Let me stop and ask the man. Ask the man for me $10 when I see him. I say, can I get the $10 virgin? Feel like a thing? The man said, I don't have no money right now to pay for no album. I'm not my girl. And I tell her, so I not go pay for no album. I can play upon it and play and make people hear you. So I don't need to play my song make people hear you. You're supposed to give me the $10 for the song. You shouldn't treat me like that. I'm your brethren. If you talk to me, I always deal with the good and you shouldn't do that. The man said, well, I not pay for no album and I must dash away or something because I not see it. As I walk on the store, I decide to go grab up 2 and share butter them. I don't want them, but me taking $5 and $5 is $10 for the 2 share butter. So I take up the 2 $5 share butter. I say I don't want them, but I go and dash them away and give them to somebody because that is disrespect and rude. The boy watch me and run and grab the share butter from me and call crowd. See her and start to feed me, put it on Facebook. Me put it on Facebook, she a thief. Let me share thief, me share butter people. Look, whole crowd of people come down think say me a thief. Poor no Olivet and no thief. Come down him and a video me himself. The girl a thief, so one girl a thief, me share butter like me a thief. And the man know what he do to me. When he done, he call 911 police come. When I walk on the road to Angela, I go take one next order cream. When me come out, I see the whole road block full of police. I couldn't want me alone and come for. So if the shea butter can't take back the shea butter out of my hand. I was angry why I pick it up. I never really want it. You know me good. You don't know me well. Anyway, me go there and say to the police, say, me, you know, look for them and say, yes. So I say, okay, here I am. I say, officer, what's going on? The man thief me album. And me take up the 2 shea butter from him, but me didn't want it. Just out of spite because it pissed me off. You understand? Hold on, go to commercial break. The pussyclad man call police. Girl a thief. The same man make video with me on Facebook. He say, me don't know the girl, me never see her yet. The same man in a video with me on Facebook. One man tell the police, said, I never see this woman yet in my life. She just run up to the stand and try to take me butter, cocoa butter and run with them and run around and catch her. Officer arrest her, I want to press charges. So the man said, Bridget, you know me. Do not let me go to jail because you know you're wrong. The police said, so we cannot help you with the CD. We cannot help you with the music. You're going to have to sue him. But for now, we got to take you to jail. So they handcuff me. Whole crowd of people are watching and put me in the van and carry me go jail. Then carry me go in jail and carry me got 71 priests when they act like a bumble hole. Then carry me in there. When they carry me in there, me the things say me that go come out and then they say, alright, it's a little shea butter. One night policeman walk up and say, you know, anybody where you live or around, you work in voodoo and you miss, because this seem like it's some kind of voodoo. This is not right. You do not want that $5 shea butter. It doesn't value anything. You could have picked up something more expensive than that if you wanted something. I said, officer, my name didn't want that for the show you. So I said, what we can do, we can keep you for the shea butter. We're going to have to send you home. So we just want to do a little paperwork and run it through the system and send you home. Then put the paperwork now and run me through the system. Me did a crime, me wonder what me I go do. Me feel like take off my tights and hang myself. Me feel like take off the tights and fucking hang myself. Me get desperate, me tell a bit tiny wall, me sit down, me feel like me go dead. Me eye then start to come out like my mind and left me in there. Better than the big old gate, me can't squeeze my body through no hole. There's no way me can't escape. It's a fire or anything, me going dead in there, I'm not going to see me again. Me just pray to God, let me get out in one piece. Anyway, me strong body till my body tired, me start ball again. Me ball so till me weak, so till me tap ball. Me try to talk to one next man arrested next to attack and I try complain to him, and make me feel any better. Him say him have a warrant and him not supposed to go home, but now they find a warrant on him. Me start to work, think where I find warrant on me. So anyway, the man come and say to me, say, you're good to go and you're going to go home in an hour. Me get so happy. When me look at the man say, no, you got a warrant. You think you're smart, right? You had a warrant from selling jewelry and cream and soap in the street from 5 to 6 years ago. Me say 5, 6 years ago, me remember that officer. Them say yes, around 5 years ago. And then get the address I was living and then say, guess what? You're not coming out. You're staying in. Me say, Lord God Almighty. How me go and take this a place and shit there all over the toilet. Blood there all over the toilet. It thinking there. Me hungry come me go to the door to buy me food. And me no want them food. Me no want them water. Me no want, I rather dead first. So me didn't want to piss because me I get nervous and me want to come out. And the boy video me and saying go and post it on Facebook and post it where say me is a thief. So I want to see it to not blow out in like a nasty dreadlocks. Want to see him post a video, cuss out his stinking out and make me know him page. Make me know him page. Then say me if you sue him. And he saying don't know me do video with me. When do the video about Olivet, show them Olivet. Say, that style there, you don't know me. You don't know me. See the style there, you don't know me. I am that, and the man say never know me for life. And he have more one video on Facebook with me and him. And he saying don't know me, you never see me yet. And then I get a chance to go on your phone to go look for the video for show them. They're not doing it. They lock you on, ma'am, and then go on. One next one act like a real asshole. He act like a real fucking dick sucker. Yes, me not no warrant out, now come get me. Fucking batty old sucker. Me say, let me get a phone call. Ma'am, if you ask for a phone call again, I am gonna send it to Central Bookings. You understand me? Don't you ask for any more phone calls. You ask already, wait until you get, and don't ask again. And if you ask again, you know, I was like, my God, wanna eat black people, so? Them do not like black people in the system. They do not like black people in the system. And when I call police for no own black people, no wicked because they don't give a fuck about none of we. Alright. So anyway, me down there now, me sit down, sit tight, and they tell me, say, Jesus Christ, good, them I go see the video, and some people are going to think, say, me thief share butter, but good, them who know me, no say, Olivet buy share back, buy the big box. Big fucking box and shea butter. She wouldn't do that. As something conspire and Goody take up the sink and she stand up for herself. And Goody now go stand up for herself. Goody go and take some off of the table and mash up in blood clot table. Because I'm gonna go and do that because you know me stand up for myself. So I stand up for myself, cast me now for good on there. And then they dig down and find so they find a warrant. So they couldn't bother let me out. They hold me and me did the whole day until about 1 o'clock. I look before 1, me see the judge. Me a waiting, then now me waiting the one girl in there, she have buy $300 water, we call it sitting arrow wing, then catch her with. $300 water, rich white girl. The next one, she and 119, she have one black guy with big hood. And the father is a Russian mafia. And you know want that fear. And she and the boy try to attack her for the father, lock up it to them and take her credit card and take everything from her. Mama, me not have to do him nothing, no time will tell. But me glad in our way still. Because remember, say me citizenship did last, and me I get a next give back a next second copy. And when me go to them, I might have a problem to collect it if me have a warrant and me no know. So God work that to the totally way. Cause me want even travel go England and Toronto. I no want to start me. So I don't want none of my ways when it comes to my papers. So I never know say you must check, must constantly check if you have a warrant. So I say, oh, me get a warrant and I don't know. He man say constantly check to and you update and see if you have one, you must check. I don't say you can't get warrant and I know. They have a new system now. He say you must check. So make sure the guys check and make sure you don't have none. You hear? I want to check because this thing is funny. I'm telling you. Anyway, me didn't know how can I sit and go on in there. When me look them change up the place, can me go there a long time ago. So then change up the place now. The little pad sitting when they have put on the ground where you used to sleep on, they don't have it anymore. Then take them up and then build a bench round. So you have the hard concrete on you. So me did it for a while, me start to sing and me DJ I try put on concert. When me look, me see a goodie in there when know me. And she said, damn, me know you watch a video all the time. So me take her to she and me continue going like a live. Me depend on try live up myself because me don't want to cry no more. Me realize me have 24 bitches around me and me make 25. Pussy stink everywhere. Some of them been there for 3-4 days. Then crutches all stink bad. Me tell you, me ain't no pussy could I think so. But anyway, child, I saw it stay within them place you can't get for beard. You understand, so me understand the consequences and so on. All kind of them come in there. You have one next one and they look like she does smoke crack, so she have one twin sister, me no know. But anyway, we didn't charge her for. And she end up going to Rockers Island for 4 more days, which me sorry for her, but she love it because she just eat up the bread and sit in them. Me no name none. Me carry them for evidence. For sure know what them give them in there. As you can tell, it's a piece of stale cheese with bread. As you take this out of the bag, you see how the bag stay. That's how they get it in there. The mayonnaise, you see the bread? That's how the bread stay. I take it as evidence so I could show you guys what you will get when you go to jail. So try don't to go there. And believe me, this look like it's full of germs itself. And that's how it black. It look like said it is a bakery. Dash them out on the roadside, I dash them in the garbage and put them out because them over bun. And toast them toast. Them just take them out of the bag and you see how them stay. Alright? You also have the milk with 1% milk. They give you a small box. It come like this. This is what you will get when you go to jail. And they will give you cereal, which is the box right here. So most people eat the cereal and then put the milk on their tongue. But one lady, she take the plastic bag with the cereal and empty the milk into the bag and then hold the bag and start to drink from the bag. People have different options to help themselves. Now they have the mayonnaise. And that's how the mayonnaise come. And this is the mayonnaise. And as you look at the mayonnaise, it look like cum. Like when you come long time and it old. And it cluster up. It looks stink. And we were talking about it. I said, this look like cum. You know, like the police officer lady said to me, you have a good show now to talk about all of this. I said, you're damn right and Skippy. And sure I will. She said, well, I'm following you. So look, as you can see the mayonnaise, it looks like cum. Like all these police officer jerk off into a big jar and they just package it with a machine and bring it in. It's cum. It's definitely cum. As you look at it, you could tell it's discharge. As you look at it, you could tell it is. I wouldn't eat the bread, but just smell it. It smell like pussy as well. It smell like, it's just smell the bread. It do smell like sour pussy. Imagine that. It smell like somebody been wiping this bread and cheese with their cunt and they haven't washed their cunt for a while. So, going to jail is not a nice thing. You see, I mean, I will never go back there, amen? My warrant is clear. And as I sit here and I say, Lord, I don't know what to do. So I decided I don't want to DJ anymore because my DJ last night, and me curl up with my jacket on the ground and start to snore. Me couldn't do no better how the place think I'm tired. And my body couldn't take the agony no more. A long time in there. From 8 o'clock yesterday and so on. So it was bad, you know. So I go and I try to do as much as bitches in there. Some of them act like them cute and them nice. Them lie out. Everybody lie out on the dirty thinking floor. Everybody tired. Who not have to turn up? Some turn up, then they want to sit down. Because who glad to like a dirty spot, then glad feet. Some have to turn up. If you tired to turn up, you can't do nothing. You have nowhere going. So anyway, while I was carrying through, I see a police officer and say, Alivette, what you doing here? I said, Jesus Christ, could you have something? She said, Alivette, what you doing here with a police officer? More germs now for me, eh? Me not going to stop cough now because that's what me do. And when me go, the kind of fart that when me take in, you know, go and take today for me tell the story about when me been and what happened to me. It was like poison gas set off. You have one mark, a girl coming and I eye them big and swell up. Remember, me not sleep from yesterday yet, so excuse me face. And me wash my face and beard and wash me. I just put on like a makeup since I look like a good phone. No. You understand me? Me wash everything since me come in. Me I'll put Clorox in my head. Hold on. I just want to show people what you will eat when you go to jail. This is what you're gonna eat. The bread side come after, and you see how it stay. In a banana oven, in a banana sitting, you see how black it is. You see, it look like a black shit plaster upon it. This is what you're gonna be eating. God bless the cheese. Let me look how the cheese take. I wouldn't touch it with a long string. It look like sitting a breed up in it. This is the cheese. It look like egg red when egg red wet. When I broke an egg and the red part wet in the middle. Yes. And so on. So I don't want to say the lady, I'm goody, I go eat it and goody, I take it. Because I say, goody, don't eat it, don't eat it, don't eat it, goody, I prize you when you come out and sick like that. Don't hear me. She said, what? I mean, I said, goody, don't eat it. I want to goody, don't eat it. Don't hear me, goody. Tie your belly to the man, you're fat, you know. You can't lose to go weight. Goody, you can't lose to go weight. Don't hear me, I want to goody, me don't want you hear me, I get prize because when you come out, you go sick. Bug in your gut, don't hear me, goody, tie your gut. She said, I don't want none. Pretty brown skin girl. She said, I don't want none. I'm not eating none. I don't want that shit. You know? And shit like that. Yeah. Then you have the little mark, a skinny girl. She have stretch mark on her body. She not have no panty. Yes, because when me get arrested, me never have no drawers. Me never have no Brazilian either yesterday. Me never have none. And I search me around 10 times and still I feel up between my crotches wall. And me lift up and me not have no drawers. Me not have no Brazilian. What more you want from me? What do you want to do to me? I constantly thinking to myself, why you all molesting me like that? In this kind of ways, wickedness, man. They have one big bright light when they take your eye. And now remind you, my style is to open my eye with me talking to. No, at the same thing they have me a do. You know, one big glass sitting and I snap my eyeball. Like at the 666 no, my lad. You're gonna have to leave this country because they copy me all over and copy all my eyeball. Soon as I make money, you're gonna have to leave here. I'm not going to stay for nobody to hunt me down. Where you picture me eyeball for? Them a picture everybody eyeball. And them a tell you, open your eye like you fright like someone scare you. 6-7 police a tell you, open your eye like someone scare you. No if you use me eye, me use for honor. That's not right. They want to take away everything we have. You know what I mean? If born know me for that because that means to me comedy. You have no right to take picture of that. Me not have to tell them my business. They have no, when they do so, me mad you fuck. Because that is my thing I use with honor. No right for, me. Them if you take, open my eye some more. Me I said, damn, they want to pluck out my eye? Me they don't see me a fingerprint for my eyeball. God damn. When they don't know, you run with the girl and know the next maga girl, she started to eat the apple. And nobody no like her. But me like everybody, me think a wickedness the girl them do to her. You know what I mean? Somebody not like her. And she not bad looking, but the way she do her eyes, she look like she's a terrible whore and she get lost. I mean, she look like she depends on some drugs. And she have one shoes and a socks, you know. And no panty and one skinny pants. And she bend herself in a two and left the body hole almost open. When that girl fought, yes, everybody start running at the cell. Then start to cuss her and she not answer. She don't still a snore. When they see a woman come and give her more milk and more apple like she favorite her. Never the apple or the orange me no want. The girl said, me take one the orange and the girl give me the orange. Me take the orange and bust it. And take it to make lip gloss. Me bust the orange because my lip a bust up. And take it and rub it. My lip dry, me rub the orange pan when it dry because I don't have neither. And when my hand get dirty, I piss pan the time, tell one girl turn up in front of me and spread out her jacket so I can get for piss. And when me piss, me take the piece of orange and wash me hand. Me don't hear me. Me? Never. You understand me? And so then kill you and catch you. So anyway, after them say one of them going to end up dead like Sandra Bullet. And Sandra Bullet today. I mean, like priest me say, God, no make them move rest of people and if me alone, me go kill me and then they must say I me kill myself. You see, me shouldn't be in this position. I shouldn't be here. I have no right to be here. And me good them could have seen me and suffer now in this place, you know. And me a ball and shit. Can me get angry sometimes. Me I look, there's no way me can come out. But when you look around here and see the light, you know, that don't light up like some man a light or some fake light them put at the window sitting them. You don't know when morning light from noon. You don't know jackass. You don't even know what time it is. Until you reach the bottom when they have one clock, you can't see the clock, but you can't see what time it is. So the girl started out all kind of fart and call the woman ear pressure. I spray ear freshener every time for them. And sitting. One next girl come in and she pretty and she look nice. And she come in, she was talking about her kids. She get locked up because she beat her 6-year-old daughter with a belt. Because she said the little girl was frustrated and she have a young baby and she in the shelter. And she beat her son and lock her up. The next one now she beat her son. Son father lock her up. Next good is slap down a girl. She pregnant, she have twin in her belly. Then lock her up. And I saw it again with all me go to them. Everybody in a same thing. After everybody come to me look at me see the three other white girl. Them have one white girl, one for heroin. I have the other three them sit down there. I look on each other like fucking three stooge a ball. And this one ball and my feed for each other energy for ball. Me say only look like three fucking stooge right now, dog. Me not wanna laugh, but this shit look funny. You know what I mean? That shit look real funny. Y'all look on you and trying to look at each other eye and cry. You know in love? I don't know I try to get out of jail. Me don't know what the fuck is going on. Because when me look on that, me get confused. I want to get out. Fucking bitch, them song a ball. Anyway, I say people, we need to be quiet, we need to shut them out, and it's nice got to stop. Because it's time to pray. It's time for Yahweh move. It's time for Yahweh set me free today. And it's time for Yahweh set you free today. In the mighty name of Jesus. Me say no hold on. Everybody hold on because the current come from me. And me put out me hand and me then join current to everybody. And when me start to cast out Satan and chase him and tell him saying go and deal him going let me go today. And me going come home today. And me not going to go to Rikers Island. Come in go there before enough of them go there. And everybody said, hope you come back in, we gotta go to Rikers Island. Me say, Jesus Christ, Lord, let me go there. Because they kind of sit to me here and go and go and fuck me in my ass and put me all about and me not going to survive that. You don't know why I go on there? Can me tell me already? When that I go on, me girl, me nervous to rise, you know. And me say, Lord, what I am going to do? So me didn't know the time. I look through the tree, sell something then because you have 1, 2, 3 door where the liar them coming out. So sometimes I wonder if me not hear the button come on my time if you come on go. So me when me look me say Rise beep, somebody they calling him put one girl to put one there so me I run the come on me case to come out and make sure everybody go quick. Alright good go on open and come back in and so stop ball you stop ball so you hush right there so and me I try run this in a while me not feel good me want come out to you know but me can't me I try help people at the same time. When I go old Spanish woman a ball she old me no wash and look like 80. Me no wash her doing that. Me say mommy don't cry mommy. Don't cry to you ma. You know me try to make people cheer even though me I go through a rough time, I want to come out myself. But me can't let them know because too much ball in a gun. I mean, I go sing a ball in a fucking body. Me ball by myself. When most the other place, me ball by myself. Me not ball come ball there in front of a blood clot girl. Because about things I'm weak and can't come fight me. But me ball in the next prison when I was all alone. But me not ball when me come with 25 girl there. Because they won't fuck up them on a control. They would hold me in there. Because no girl no go and come beat me in a jail. So anyway, me in there no one. And things are going on, and enough things are going on. Next young girl just coming and she pretty with the Indian ear and the lash. She really look nice and she look Indian too. She a fight, she didn't fight and turn up on the casket yesterday. And all kind of sit and she get arrested. So that's why she in there. All kind of sit me tell her one bad out there. Child, me say me wait so till me wear me watch the clock. Me say no man at 9:30 this man. Them say me da go see somebody. And me not see nobody yet. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, talk what is going on before the judge go take break, you know what I mean? And me did a few while, so me call it and say, what is going on with my case? She said your paperwork is in the courthouse. They soon call you. The judge thing gonna come and see the liar. As the liar woman come to she say, for thief, sitting on there. She attack me say, man, me never thief nothing for the man. Him thief my album. And the commercial break. Alright, hold on. Yes, girl. So when that I go on in the number say Jesus Christ, me really want to come out. Me wait till me weary. So our next crackhead one in now say she a twin. Me no truth to tell her lie, she a tell cause she want to get to see her twin. But anyway, she must enter somewhere she not forgot. She seem like a nice lady, but why they at temper in the bad. But anyway, she know Nyam do up her bread and sit them, she comfortable and drink like she in her house. She let down her pants and let down her belly and she look sexy, but you want she to look like a real crackhead. She touching something, dog, I'm telling you. And then she go on and go on and go on. And like a body cock up, you know, but he maga. And he got kind of big, but his skin clean and like a rest and stiff. You know, then crackhead, eh? You know, so then take man, but then body look good still a crackhead. And you know, smoke crack. Imagine you know, look if they not smoke crack. You know, but she keep her skin clean and she's a good looking girl. And so on. So he didn't know I grew on and I grew on and grew on and you know, stop nyam. He never stop nyam. That's you know in the pan jokes. Never stop nyam the bread. One emote always a move. And then later on, he beg them to move over next side, he go sleep and come back over next side again and sleep. She comfortable. When she gotta get 5 days in Rikers Island, she just go lay down and sleep. She don't have no problem with it. She just eating more bread and say, I don't mind. I was like, what the fuck, you don't mind? Bitch, I want to get it fuck out of this stinking hole. All I want to post is stink. Everybody post is stinking here. When me come out, me couldn't take the train. Cause me know my pussy stink all over my clothes from yesterday man my beard. When me do the live, we don't know come and talk with them. And me go out to go buy me food. Me not get for beard again, cause they catch me. You understand me? Me not get for brush my teeth, me not get for beard. Me have to take fucking taxi. And guess who come pick me? You remember Sugar Daddy when me cuss out so bad? And him show up at the court for me. Not my boyfriend. Him was there. When I come up, me see him today. He said, Jesus Christ, me not sleep last night. You must have left some message to sitting wrong and me couldn't sleep, me left my wife all night, me afraid over you. And me come, you alright, baby? Come take a taxi, this and that. Hold a $300 buy some food. Go and go later and sleep here. Say, alright, daddy, alright. Baby said, me cuss up on Facebook again, baby said. But in good sometime. Me feel have somebody to watch me back. You know, cause Jay never know about this shit. He over there don't know when see me call, no I go on. Nobody know. You understand me? Him not come, my boyfriend never get for come. So who come and look out for me, then come and look out for me. You have to have people look out for you in them time. If I the bail, me have to bail, he not go bail me. For 10,000 bail a cost, he will not go bail me. Me know that. So in time in a deep trouble like that, me will still call me and say, yo, so and so, and he say, you fucking cost me out that bush Sugar Daddy, but me go still and help you because I'm not going to see that situation. Because a long time I used to a long time I know you. That's why I tell you, say, give me something, just give me. Because a long time, you know me, we have not to fight over it. And we're friends. I've been telling you that shit. You didn't take jail to let you know that. But like I said to you, that's how this shit went down. Thank God for that. You know what I mean? So right now, if I get some sleep and maybe I want big sit and goated soup down there, so I hope it tastes good. And I go drink and go sleep because I'm tired as a bitch. Me not get no sleep at all. And we not done on the subject and me if I continue goodie. The amount of me tell you, I can't tell you one time. It will take too much time to tell you. So me have to sleep and catch you back again. But me not left yet, me still there. Me not left yet. Come on, you know me not just left yet. You know me not just left yet. Me still go talk. Not yet. Me talk until me weary, see if I come up and me tired, me just lucky up because me can't make it no more. Because me out of jail and I'm free. It's good to feel free, dog. You don't even know what it is to be free. Nobody don't know what it is to be free. Man, that shit is, oh, Jesus, hallelujah. We are way works today. It's like Oliver, you coming out. So when me didn't know and I wait, and everybody I go through and look me wait, me see one liar come and say, Oliver? They say, bite me, Oliver, to me, not the crowd. Don't look for me. Run in the box. Okay, I'm an idiot. And I said, no, me never thief nothing from nobody. Me explain to the woman and so on. She said, listen, the judge says, what the judge wants to do, he wants to send you home and, you know, you don't have to come back to court, but you can do a one-day community service, clean the park. But I'm a celebrity. I see I'm a celebrity all over the world. You know, she's like, you can just clean it for one time, you know, you don't have to come to court. I was like, okay, cool, I'll do it. Whatever. So she go out and when everything works. And the next officer says, oh, I really love your hair. The next one I came out in front of me, I wait for the judge. He said, I really love your hair. Everybody thought with my ear in the jail. All the police them love off my ear. So I said, I really like your hair, man. It's really beautiful. You know, oh, you get that and the color is so nice. So all them interested in the ear. All of them, I tell you, woman or man. You know, people are stop me so they want me to do them ear like that for them. So anyway, while that I go on and I say love me ear and attack and thing, I wait. I don't want fat like a boy 15-year-old do a whole sitting. You know, no family, no friends around me. I don't know how. And someone call service to pick him up. I don't know. He can't go in nobody house go live. Kind too fat and he rough and he can't see so much trouble. Maybe kill the people, parents them. You have to take him to a home for bad kids. And make him grow up and learn a skill for help himself. He can't go nobody else. Nobody a big old 50 boy with so much to crime. You can't have people else go live. Eh? And talk about you be a mother to him. And you birth him. You like him born a criminal like a boy too small and big. And if you see face, I'm frightened for him and I'm 15. How much time he go jail? No, sir. Nobody know when parents there. And him friend, maybe that alien, nobody know who he is. You're not a family, you're not a friend, you're 15. Come on. What the fuck you come with that space? I ain't fucking scared of you, dog. You know what I mean? So anyway, I talk to the police and I say, yeah, man, I'm singing thing, I know. And the guy with the shit butter, he must say, that's some shit. So we don't want the judge here where we talk about and thing. Kind of love off my ear and so. So the white bitch I passed, now the next one I passed, now one next police officer, she guy talk to me like she jealous. See her? See me? Too hard, the police, man. Man, I tell my nice my ears are like me, man, really like me, you know. I'm trying to get out of here, bitch. I'm trying to be nice in every way I can.
So why the fuck you fucking up my flow? You work there. You don't want to bring the paper in the back. Pay attention to your fucking job. You come and flirt while the man talk about me. You make me get out there, bitch. Make him pay attention to the color pretty things. And sorry for me and let me out. You fucking come this time, here. Flashing herself. See the man now? Policeman. You do something with the tongue. Like he spit her out. Yeah. So, so I was sitting there and then the judge said, oh, the vet smelly. And I walk right up, put me hand behind me, because I don't tell me if I do it. I mean, I want to do it, but I put me hand behind me. We really want to get out of here, because this time I pussy, so I really want to get out there and take a shower and wash my ear. Because this fucking place is so nasty. Feel like bed bug bite me all on the ground. In my pants and my tights, me fall asleep, feel bug bite me, get up, bug bite up a girl, whole her skin, swell up bed bug, bite up a girl. You know, one part, that's what they eat, they have to eat extra at in there. And it start at you, not just that, a whole part of dirt and fur and dust and sitting, pack up eye like foal feather between the sitting and a foal feather, just pack up that eye. Yow, it's a nasty smell, a nasty place to be. Hear me tell you? Right, I'm traumatized. I'm so glad when I realize I'm still free. I'm still something I realize I'm free. That's how bad it is. If you like say I whole last week, me there till this week. I couldn't yesterday go in here and feel so. It's a terrible place to be, man. You fucking take away time from you, everything from you, and you just feel fuck up. You know? You really feel it's a nasty place to be. You don't go to jail. Whatever it is, just walk away, this motherfucker. Me just walk away. Cause me know that all cost me, I'm just walk away. Just walk away, dog. You know, right to the end of the day. Believe me. So, anyway, me in and out, man. Let me tell you, man. I'm read the judge tell me now. We say, listen. So the lawyer said to me, say, I'm not gonna let you get the community service. I'm not gonna let you go clean the park. I said, good. And the judge says, Oliver Smelly, you're free to go. And da-da-da-da-da. And this case is dismissed, blah, 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 blah. Thank you, Arana. And I just walk right out. So I don't have to go to court. I'm done. I don't have to go to community service and to clean up park. Hallelujah, because I told him celebrity. Celebrity? You really celebrity? I really celebrity for you. Celebrity. I'm not celebrity. I celebrity. You're fucking right, girl. Celebrity. Right? We can call it celebrity from now on. Tell us about celebrity. Yeah, man, and me never want to go clean the park. But I have to do it because I want to come out and say clean the park. Why not? But thank God she take it back. And that was Yahweh. Everything was Yahweh. Everything was Yahweh. Let me get out. Everything dismissed. Everything gone. Me not have to go back. Me not have to do nothing. That was Yahweh. Thank you. Commercial break, we say? As you don't know, I'm in a bumper clad play, no. When me talk, me tell you the truth, you know, I'm not have to lie to you, know. I don't know I'm not playing a lot. I don't know I'm not like nobody fuck me and don't defend myself. I want to know about me. You know, I don't say me want to share butter. Me just fucking want to teach man so don't play with me things, you see me? And I just saw me stay. I just saw me stay. Me never take it because me want it. Me don't give it to somebody I dash it on the roadside. Me don't want it. But it's $10 worth. Exactly 10 for the album. You understand? You want to take about my make video. Look, she a thief. The girl a thief. Anyone I want to see, make me know. And make a finding page. And cuss out in dirty, stinking, farty like dreadlocks boy. With in dirty frownsy pants. For you see, me know say man suck with my body man. Him not gay like my friend, my body man. Him pants dirty. Look a molly boy talk about left seat in a girlfriend car. You can't have girl with car where want you. You look a molly ass. Molly like a fucking alligator throat. Yes. I put up on the street. One night I tell you shit about and fling one off for me to lick me with it. Yes. You want a man anger me call police block off the whole street. Wanna do not buy nothing from that man. Wanna walking down Ukitan or going down Utica. Wanna pass Coral. Wanna going down. That's how after you pass Alice. After you pass Alice and the other side. Not the side of Alice, they on the other side. Pass Alice and going down. Do not buy nothing from the Rasta man there. You have some cheap dollar ring and so pass him and sell some foolishness. Do not buy nothing from him. Walk up to him. And let him know I would buy something from you today. But you see what you did to Olivet? And take her album, especially when she give the album on live. And she come to everybody know say it's true. You fucked up motherfucker. You ain't getting shit, dog. You're not buying nothing I sell. None of my friends not buy for you. Wanna spread the word around. Only does not buy anything from me. I'm gonna get the specific address and stall. Do not buy anything from that man. Nothing at all. Nothing from him. Not buying nothing from him. Make you run dry. The Lord said when somebody like that do wickedness to you, you must make them well run dry. Do not buy nothing from him. Stop buy from him. If you know me attack, tap buy from him. Don't buy from him. Don't look for him. Don't talk to him. As a matter of fact, don't even say nothing to him. Just walk past. If he says something to you, say, listen, I'm on Olivet team. That's it. Some motherfucker, I could buy this, but I'm on Olivet team and I buy it. Fuck you. Because what you do to Olivet is wrong. The girl never do nothing. You call the police, block her for excitement. She a thief, look people. Girl a thief. Look a stinking old boy like me want it. Look a dirty shea butter. When you want to put in a big old batty for fuck himself like me, I go want it. Come on. Fucking bright. Add this infinium. Eh? And the police them say, sue him. He say you don't know, you need to tell all these things, sue him. You know, all them fucking cockroach then. Is that what them name? By your touch, it fall in pieces, see that? You don't have to broke it up. It fall in pieces by itself. Why is doing that? The fuck is my camera? Why is showing like that? Why after the screen is dark? Why the when I put the thing out, it's saying black. I don't know why. Something's. Oh shit! When the fucking take off the back of the phone, I'm such an idiot. Why this do that?